In this video, I'm going to show you this GS Hypo cement and how to use it and why do I like it. So this one is used for jewelry, beading, watches, crystals, and anything that has to do with jewelry or crystal. So basically, what I'm going to show you what I use it for, and one of the reasons what I really like to use this one is the first reason is because it comes in this like a pen, almost like a needle, where you can apply just a little bit or a lot. Another reason is because the cover has this here that when you close it, you put it in and it doesn't clog the tip. Okay, it is like metal. So and another reason why I really like it is because it's clear. Let me put a little bit here. It's completely clear. Okay, so one of the reasons that I use it for is I use it when I do the ends of any jewelry. See this here? I leave them open and then I just put a little bit to finish securing the jewelry. I put a little drop in it. And I'm going to put it in both sides. So you just go ahead and apply a little bit there. And I'm going to go ahead and close it because if you don't close it right away, it continues coming out. So we just close it and seal it and it's done. So basically what I do is I put the glue and I just go ahead and close these. And what this is going to do is going to secure my piece of jewelry. Is going to be better secured. Okay, and always have like a little cloth or a rag, something like this that you can wipe once you close it. And then once it's already here, I can go ahead and finish it up. Okay, very easy. Okay, right there. So what this does is sometimes when you get a pull or whatever, it doesn't come off. So what I'm going to be doing at the bottom of the description, I'm going to be putting the link of where you can get this. And also I'm going to put the link on my website if you are interested in the jewelry. I'm finishing this one up. This is like his and hers bracelet. So what I have is like, this is for her, this is for him, and it has a heart in the middle. Okay, so when you each wear one, so you each wearing half of the heart, and when you come together, you complete the heart. Okay, I have other ones here. So the way that I have them in my website is like you can buy them separate, so you can make your own set because I have different designs and different sizes. So here's another one. This is another crystal. This is another like cheap lava rocks. And this is another lava rock. And this is another like crystal beads. Okay, so if you're interested, I'm gonna go ahead and put my website on there, and everything that I have on my website, most of it is handmade. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys. I really you will really encourage me a lot if you can put a comment, like it, follow if you haven't followed, and that really encourages me to continue to make videos for you. Thank you so much. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.